Light, bright, and quality are the words that come to mind when I think of the new JBL Quantum 650 and JBL Quantum 250 headsets. The JBL Quantum 650 is a wireless headset offering an immersive sound experience both in gaming sessions and away from your setup. With 50mm carbon dynamic drivers, powerful sound is pushed through the low latency 2.4 GHz connection, or Bluetooth if you'd prefer, opening your ears up to every footstep, shot, and environment in games, or every beat in music. With a new frame and design, comfort is at the forefront of this model because affordability shouldn't mean lesser quality. Recycled plastics and modular replaceable parts makes this not only environmentally friendly, but super sustainable too. The head hammock makes long sessions less fatiguing on your head as it's breathable and stretchy, so it molds to you. The fabric ear cups are also super breathable and soft enough for long wear, and the 6mm cardioid noise cancelling mic can be easily removed, which makes this a great hybrid pair of headphones for both work and play. And the overall colour palette, it's calming and simple. No RGB also elongates that battery life. Speaking of, this still does support USB-C charging and connection too, so if you do want a wired connection, you have that option here. But the battery that it does come with provides you with up to 45 hours of playtime. And you can also buy a spare battery as a backup too, that way you're always ready to play with no delay. Although the Quantum 650 doesn't have active noise cancelling, it does have spatial audio, which makes a major difference when you're playing games. It really enhances your overall sound experience, so those footsteps that you're hearing in game sound more realistic and precise than ever. I can tell you that from experience because I have been winning so much in Fortnite Blitz lately, and that never happens to me. For the business users out there, this headset is Zoom certified, so you can use it on your work calls with no issues. And you have a great hybrid unit that you can lock in for your workday as well as lock into your gaming sessions at night. You don't need to have two separate headsets, which is great. And the same AI software is here for the microphone in the 650, just like it is with the Quantum 950. You can tune it and drown out background noise, which is awesome. It's great for that hybrid use case. Overall, this is a great headset fit for many, but if you are looking for the budget option, the JBL Quantum 250 is here. This is a wired version, but it still gives you the same levels of comfort as well as the same 50mm carbon dynamic drivers, but it does remove active noise cancelling and your spatial audio, so you're just getting your normal stereo sound. But you still do have the same mic features, detachable microphone, as well as the AI software in the Quantum engine, so you can still drown out background noise on the mic. The only other thing is that you do have to use this with the included 3.5mm cable plugged into all your devices. It comes in a few different colors too, just like the JBL Quantum 650, so there really is an option here for everyone. As your JBL Quantum expert, be sure to leave some comments below if you have any questions or you want to know more. I'll do my best to answer them. I'll also leave some links to videos in the description down below if you want to check out the features of the Quantum 950, as well as unboxing videos on all the headsets to have a bit more of a real and raw look at the way I reacted when I unboxed them. And for my Australian viewers, there is a discount code down below for you too. As always, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button because I look forward to talking more tech with you in the next video.